Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a spread for the On official music video. So as I mentioned in my last couple of videos, I am super behind on spreads because I took a little break from YouTube, and even before that I was just really busy, so I was not getting a lot of spreads out. And for an Army Universe and Insomnia in like February, March, April, there was just so much content. So I have a lot of spreads that I want to catch up on. So this is the next one on my list of things to catch up on. Like I mentioned before, part of me was kind of like, I'm just not going to catch up. I'm just going to start from now. But this journal is for me too. Like, I mean, I love making the videos and I love showing you guys my process, but this video or this journal is like, it's almost like a scrapbook for me of like memories that I want to have forever. So I do want to make spreads for these. So I figure I might as well just go ahead and film them too. So you guys will just have to bear with me as I catch up on all of these spreads. I've been really excited to make this spread. I feel like I always say that, but I have genuinely been super excited to make a spread for this music video. It's so aesthetically pleasing. It's such an interesting video. It really gives me some like Maze Runner kind of vibes. I just love it a lot. So I was really excited to do it and to use some like earthy tones in the spread. I just had like a really good feeling about it. So yeah, and I ended up liking how it turned out a lot. So hopefully you guys do also. Okay, so this is the main event of this video. This is this new paper I got. I see people use transparent paper all the time, and I'm like, where do they get this transparent paper that they can write on? It's so freaking cool. And I finally looked it up. It's called vellum paper, Vellum. And the brand that I got is Recollections, and I got it from Michael's. If you have a Michael's, they had it in stock and I could do curbside pickup for it. So I got myself a pack and it is a game changer. I messed up a couple of times because I was still kind of getting used to it. But I redid it a few times just to kind of see what I really wanted to do here. But yeah, I am obsessed with this paper, and do not at all be a surprise if you see it in the next few videos, because if you have been following me for any amount of time, you know that I like hold on to a style like with a closed fist, and I just use it and use it and use it until I find something different. So this will probably be used a lot because I'm really excited about it. I'll try not to overuse it because I do want to keep my spreads like interesting and different, but it's a game changer. I just feel like it makes the spread look so cool and like different, and I just really am excited to figure out ways to incorporate it into my spreads. But yeah, so I did realize though that obviously because it's transparent, the way that you attach it matters because you can see it through the paper. So, for instance, on that one on the left that says "Can't hold me down because you know I'm a fighter," I used my tape runner, and you can really tell like that the tape runner pieces are there because the pieces of tape are like textured. So I didn't like that, and I decided I wanted to change up the fonts a little bit anyway, so I redid it. And then I used glue, like transparent clear glue on the on thing, which worked out really well. However, it does take away the frostiness of the paper. So if you want the paper to stay pretty like frosty looking, you know what I mean? That is probably not the best way to go. I thought that it might turn frosty again after it, dried, but it didn't. It stayed like almost completely transparent, which could be a look depending on what you're going for. I think it still worked out fine in this spread, but yeah, so that's something to keep in mind for the next time that I use it. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I'm excited. I almost wish I had gotten more packs of it because I feel like I'm going to use it up like really fast because I'm excited about it. But yeah, that was the main event of this spread. I was very excited to share that with you guys. But anyway, now I'm just writing my thoughts about the music video. I kind of already told you guys a little bit about it and how much I enjoyed it, and I just think it's a really cool video. The aesthetic is cool. I'm obsessed with this song. I've talked about it several times now. I love this song so much, so I was excited to get like another aspect of a music video for it because the kinetic film is amazing. So it was cool to get more of like a cinematic kind of music video for this song. So anyway, here is a look at the final spread. I like it a lot. I'm happy with how it turned out. I was really excited, like I said, to make this spread. So I'm glad that it turned into something that I really liked and I enjoyed making. So if you like this spread and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.